Hello and welcome back to the garage. You're gonna have to excuse my voice. I've kind of just now getting over being sick since for about a week. But today, we're gonna work on what is arguably the most reliable vehicle in the trucks that I own. We're talking about the 2022 F-250. So let's get into it. So first thing we want to do is we're gonna get the air filter changed, then we're gonna go in and work on the cabin air filter as well. Engine air filter is pretty simple. I think there's just 3 of those clips if I remember right. And you can pull her out. She's connected on the bottom, so you pop it up a little. And I like to push in and just, that sounds terrible. If I had 2 hands it'd be a lot better, but I don't. So, and just get it up out of the way. There's your air filter. It only goes in one way, so mine's not terrible, but I actually took it to a place to get this thing serviced because I had a free coupon. It was like a good deal. When I did that, they told me they'd charge me about a couple $100 to replace cabin air filter and engine air filter. I can't. I'm not really willing to pay that when I can do it myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one back in. Goes back together the exact same way that it came apart. You know, just pop her back down, 3 clips. Make sure your bottom is in though. That is a little bit tricky to get down in there. You'll be able to tell on the sides where the clips connect, whether or not stuff is down in there all the way. Just pay attention to it. It'll be fine. Anyways, let's get to the cabin air filter. Alrighty, let's get into our cabin air filter. This thing isn't anything too crazy. I don't believe. This thing ought to pop out. Showing 2 7mm, which, put my impact over there. That thing's still recording. Yes. Now over here, there's another guy who's a video of this. Probably a lot better than me, but you'll see there's a notch down here on your glove box for your hinge. Just slide it. You'll see the bigger side over. Pull this thing out. Then it's done. And what you got is 2 little stopper dealers. Let them come on down. Which is why this is not a good place to put your 2 7mm. Now this guy oughta come on out now. See, this is where I don't like working on new stuff. Just makes you nervous yanking on this crap. Come on now, I know it just popped in there. There's a clip. Something just broke over there. I don't know what went flying, but I saw her. Huh. There we go. Now, there's one plug-in in there, but I'm going to try to just turn this baby so I don't got to worry about that. And, well, I can tell you right now, the dealership that looked at my air filter apparently looked at my air filter because this door's already plopped down. You should have that door up there like that. Mine was already down. See if it actually, oh, there goes the door. Which, oh, they said it's bad. I don't think it's too bad. This one has been replaced before because the OEM one should say which way airflow is. But I've went with a little bit more expensive micro guard. It's supposed to have the charcoal type stuff in it so that it'll get rid of more smell because sometimes I do use this thing for chores. But yeah, essentially putting it back together is the exact opposite of what you just saw. Like I said, this is the piece that I was talking about where it starts up in the small area. Just pop it down there, pop it out. You push these guys in. This guy probably fell off the other side when they did the same thing, I would imagine. So get that guy back on. But yeah, flip this thing back up, pop everything into place. The only thing I'm gonna say though is make sure you're careful with your clips. 'Cause yeah, see there's some orange ones on that one, and I saw some orange fly off this side. So you can't really see it, but apparently I broke one of the clips there, but that's all right. I don't really know. Oh, that's the button to let that out. So yeah, all you gotta do basically, slap that thing back up in, put in your 2 7mm, put this guy back in, plop that guy back up. Everything's good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing in, get everything wrapped up, and we might get back to you after. So obviously, if it's this is the after. I mean, everything's put back together now. A few little things, like I said, there's that one rubber piece that I said was in there. That went right on there. So if you lose a rubber piece, that's where it's at. I do know too that this guy's got metal clips in here. Like I said, they just pop right out like we did in the video. Nothing crazy. And kind of like I showed you, if you accidentally break one of your clips off on this guy, it's not the end of the world. You still got bolts up here, and you've got honestly a lot of clips. All you gotta do is just push it till you hear it pop, then you know it's in, and you're good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. I'd appreciate it, and it's free. Till the next one, guys. Thank you.